what's up guys, it's Crazy About here, and I'm coming to you guys with a little unboxing. Well, per se, an unboxing slash review of a subscription box. Today I'll be looking at the USAGundamStore membership subscription box. I believe that's what it's called. I'll put a link down to it in the description down below. But yeah, let's get into it. Let's get a knife. Actually, I don't know if this is actually sharp or not, so let's just check. Oh! Oh, wow. 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 I didn't expect this. A sticker, actually. No, I'm just kidding. So usually they have stickers in every package they send out, which is always good to, you know, especially put on your cutting mat and stuff, or just leave around. Stick around anywhere. So this is, right on top is the Mega Ride launcher, and this I believe was used by the Mega Shiki in Build Fighters. So this is actually a really nice custom part. It's already all white or gray, so it's would be really nice to paint up. Next we got oh wow, nice. We got green Tamiya paint. It's just, you know, basic green, but I mean, Tamiya paint is, especially since it's acrylic, it's really nice, and it's really nice to work with. I would highly recommend it if you don't already use it or have used it before. But yeah, it's really nice to always have a little extra paint. Next we got oh, nice. Next we got the 24th Century Weapons Pack. It has the stuff from the Cherubim Saga that just came out for the Build Fighters Battle Log, and you know, from the GNX and all that. This is really nice. I like the weapons in here. They're very, how do you say? They're just very like realistic, but a little futuristic at the same time. And I believe we're on our last thing that's in the package. Oh wow. So this is the thing that when I first saw it, I actually was very surprised on this, and it is the Crossbone Gundam X1. And this is actually super nice because it is actually kind of hard to find, especially on their website, USAGundamStore. Usually it's like out of stock, but yeah, this is really nice, and I'm actually super excited to build this and snap it up. Now let's tally up on how much this stuff adds up to. Starting off with the Mega Ride launcher, it's listed as 600 yen, but on USAGundamStore, I believe it's about $7. The 24th Century Weapons Pack, it is also 600 yen as well, so that's $6, but it's listed as $7, I believe, on USA Gundam. We got our little Tamiya paint, which normally you can get that kind of stuff for $2.99 or something like that, so that's, you know, $3. And then you got the big boy. He's gonna be about 1,800 yen, but usually you'll see this kit, especially for about $20. You pay for $30 and you get a little over $30 worth of goods. So it's actually a really good deal, and especially if you don't know what to build, or you're overwhelmed with how many kits you actually want to build. This is a good way to, you know, test your waters into like, I just want to start building, or I just want to snap something. But yeah guys, I highly recommend this product. It's really nice. It's only $30 and you really get a lot of stuff with it. But yeah, that's all from me, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.
When I was young, man, my dad had a reefer house. I catch a contact and talk like Eka Mouse. Go to school, act like I'm pulling reefer out. Kinda funny cause I used to freak my teachers out. Like, young down, sin. So much me go teach you about. Piece of the one black Johnny and his hooters out. In the club, everybody on Sinatra. Look around, everybody on Sinatra. I ain't talking about the shit they call coke and vodka. I'm talking about the shit you snort and go ha 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 ha. I mean, just go bonkers, make the young girls wild, and then go topless, make the dope boys smile. They don't need